hatchling, hatchling, hatchling is a baby bird that just hatched from its egg. Nestling, nestling. A nestling is a blind, featherless, very young bird which still lives in the nest, and it's completely dependent on its parents for food and care. Fledgling, fledgling. A fledgling is a young bird that has grown feathers and is starting to practice flying. A fledgling leaves the nest before it can fly well. Yelling, yelling. A yelling is an older young bird that is more independent and has already left the nest. I have a bird related idiom as well. The idiom is birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. It means people from the same group with the same taste and interest or characters like to be with each other. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.
At first I was an egg, I was calcified. Kept thinking I'd end up scrambled, poached, deviled, or fried. But then I spent 20 nights inside a box that was so tight, and I was wrong. I was a chicken growing strong. I've got all my life to live, and I've got lots more eggs to give. I wasn't fried,